Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, January 27th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that happened yesterday. Yesterday, scholars were doing amazing in extensions, AR, hotspot, art, and PE. So scholars, don't forget, extensions are 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m., 7:30 to 8 a.m. That Mr. Coach Frank, Miss Leos, Miss B, and Miss Calderon really want to see you join them. And remember, extensions do take a grade. Also, scholars, I saw some amazing scholars doing some great work in their math class, their reading classes, and in their writing. Nice job. We also have our first and second grade scholars who are preparing and getting ready for the second and third grade. So keep on working hard. You're doing an amazing job. It's a great day to learn. We'll see you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot!